जी नाहिद आलम, आप कैसे हैं और किस तरीके की आपकी जर्नी रही है और यहाँ तक आने में आप थोड़ा बताएं, और कैसा लगा आपको नैनीताल झील?
सबसे पहले तो थैंक यू सो मच टू माय फादर जिन्होंने मुझे यहाँ पे लेकर आया एंड ही इज़ टॉलरेटिंग ऑल माय tantrums and whatever things I like. So he is just fulfilling all my wish and I'm really happy he's doing it because it's very often that he does and it's really often he gets time for us. Usually he's very busy and now that he has got time, I'm really happy that he's spending time with us. So let me tell you guys, this trip was not pre-planned. It was like sudden, and I thought that it wouldn't, it wouldn't happen. Like I thought we are just.
आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे जो आप अपने दो भाइयों के और मम्मी को छोड़कर चले आए पापा के साथ घूमने के लिए? कैसा, क्या आपको लगा?
I am really at guilt deep down because obviously they're my family and they're my family members. I really wanted them to come, but since we don't have good budget, thanks to my father, financial issue, so we don't really have a good budget. So
नाहिद, आप अपने छोटे भाई को बहुत ज़्यादा मिस कर रही हैं, ऐसा मुझे लगता है। इनका
why not? Why not? Why not? Because he's my brother. He's my younger brother. He's very close to me. Unlike my older brother, he is always distant and always a quiet, shy boy. But my younger brother, he is very close to me, and we are just like friends. We have a like 5 years of age gap, but we still share the bond of siblings, like same age siblings. Like we have that kind of humorous and a bond. So yeah, so I really miss him and obviously I really wanted him to come because he loves
नाहिद, आप
he
अपने
loves
हाँ,
he loves
हाँ,
he loves going to places, visit new places, but it's really sad that we don't have a good budget to take him to here, and plus he's really short, young to be going to at longer distances. So yes,
ओके।
next
आप
question.
अपने मम्मी के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे? आपके मम्मी का आपके जीवन में अब तक का क्या रोल रहा है?
I think talking about my mother, it would be short. Like in this world, or maybe in other world, I'll be at loss of words in to praise my mother. Like she is not perfect. She's not perfect. I say she's not perfect, but she tries very hard to do everything she could get do to help me. Like she is very supportive and hardworking. I really love her. But since she's a human, she also has some advantages. You can say qualities or disqualities. Like so, obviously she do have some disqualities and qualities, but because she always tries to maintain her good quality side, so we just neglect the good. We just neglect the disqualities. So I think she is really an important person to have her. Like I think I don't want anything like other. I don't want any other woman as my mom, like as her.
ओके। आप अपने पापा के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे और अपने दादा के बारे में?
About my father, I think yes, he is also one of the important people in my life. And since my childhood, since I was born, he has really shown big, huge support to me. Like he has never ever made indifference of me being a girl child and towards my other siblings like being a boy child. He has always been a cool dad and he has been always an open-minded person that I really like about it, that he's not old-fashioned type of men who are conservatives, who do not want change, or they are just strict towards their, kids and don't want to know their opinions, feelings, and just suppress their thoughts on them. So he's not like them, and I really am blessed that he's not like that, because today, now in the world, I think having a great understanding and helpful, supportive parents is really a blessing. It's really a blessing, and I'm really grateful that I have such parents in my life. But obviously, um, there is also like a disquality about my father. But since I love him too much that I just ignore it, or even if he gives me pain, I willingly accept it because I love him despite anything. Despite anything, even if he hurts me, I know deep down he cares about me. And despite any situation, I think he will always support me, always support himself. And honestly, he's a very strong person I have ever seen in my life. Yes.
ओके, कुछ दादा के बारे में बताएंगे आप अपने?
Okay, about my grandfather. So I haven't really had shared a good bond with my grandfather because at the age of 5, I shifted to Delhi. My parents were, along with my mother, I shifted to Delhi. So before, like at the age of 5, I don't even remember any incident with him, like along with him that I shared. So let me tell you about after I came to hometown. So in lockdown we came back home. Uh, so at that time I was like 12 years old. So I tried when I came back hometown. There was my grandfather. So I tried to make a bond with him, but he was not really open to me. He never talks to me openly, and this is really hurtful because at a place you like see at some place he talks to his other grandchildren, but he avoids us, like he don't talk openly with us, and that other cousins
Okay.
our grandchildren are just avoiding him, and he just ignores it like a fool.
ओके, आप अपने बड़े पापा और मझिला पापा के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे? कुछ अच्छा ही बोल।
पूरी फैमिली के बारे में प्यार रखता है, ठीक है। So about my uncle, so I don't think I really know much about him, but as far as I know, I think he's an educated person. Like he loves studying. I have heard that he loves taking up knowledge, and he's very, guys, he is very strict towards namaz. I have seen that he, even in any difficult situation, he never forgets to offer namaz, and I think that's really good for a Muslim. But at the same place, he is not, friendly. He's not friendly with kids. I have seen, like he is only busy in himself and never, talks out with us. So I don't like this thing about him. But
मझिला आपू के बारे में क्या
then
कहना
again,
चाहेंगे?
we don't really often say. हाँ, मज़ा आपके पास?
हाँ।
So we have another uncle. So he's sweet. I think like I have spent much time with him than my other uncle. So this my uncle, he's very sweet. I think till he was sweet till 2020. Like now that I'm starting to realize things, I'm growing up, I realize that people are distancing themselves from me, my family. It's really hurtful to see like this. Like when there's no need to Papa,
या
हम नीचे पॉज करना ही